Welcome to the ultimate guide on how to start a bar fight that everyone will remember. If you're looking for a good old-fashioned brawl, then you've come to the right place. Now, before we begin, let me make one thing clear. We do not condone violence. However, if you're in the mood for a little excitement, then let's get started. Step 1. Choose the right bar. When it comes to starting a bar fight, location is everything. You don't want to pick a bar that's too fancy or uppity. Those places are no fun. You want to find a bar that's known for its rowdy crowd, dimly lit corners, and cheap drinks. The kind of place where everyone is already itching for a fight. Step 2. Pick a fight with the right person. Now, this is the tricky part. You want to make sure that you're picking a fight with the right person. You don't want to mess with the biggest guy in the bar, or someone who looks like they can hold their own in a fight. No, you want to find someone who's had a few too many drinks and is already feeling a bit unstable. Step 3. Insult them. Once you've found your target, it's time to start insulting them. You want to make sure that your insults are personal and cutting. Tell them that their favorite sports team sucks, or that their girlfriend is ugly. Keep pushing their buttons until they can't take it anymore. Step 4. Get physical. Once things start heating up, it's time to get physical. Push them, shove them, maybe even throw a punch or two. Make sure that you're escalating things quickly. Remember, the goal is to start a bar fight that everyone will remember. Step 5. Involve others. If you really want to take things up a notch, involve others in the fight. Get your friends to back you up, or even better, start insulting someone else's friends. Get as many people involved as possible, and watch as chaos ensues. Step 6. Go out with a bang. Once the fight has started, it's time to go out with a bang. Maybe break a bottle over someone's head or throw a chair across the room. Make sure that everyone in the bar knows that you were the one who started the fight. Step 7. Make a quick escape. Now, this is important. Once the fight has ended, it's time to make a quick escape. You don't want to stick around and deal with the consequences. Get out of the bar as soon as possible or risk getting arrested. Conclusion. And there you have it. The ultimate guide on how to start a bar fight that everyone will remember. Now, as a disclaimer, we do not recommend or condone violence in any form. However, we do recognize that some people enjoy a good brawl from time to time. If that's you, then we hope these tips have been helpful. Just remember to stay safe and don't take things too far.